Test, test, test. Okay. Now YouTube should hear me. Hopefully that doesn't screw up everything for... Okay. Okay. So sorry about that, guys. I am not a professional streamer, okay? I am a professional trader trying to stream, okay? So bear with me, and I appreciate everybody's patience with me as I figure out the audio visual aspects of all of this. So thank you very much. So I've only taken one trade so far this morning. It was a short. Today I start an official small account challenge. I'll be trading a $10,000 account. I normally trade a $40,000 account. So this is 75% smaller than what I normally trade. Okay, I'll be trading 1 to 2 minis in my $10,000 account. I've already taken one trade. My profit target is $1,000. So the problem, guys, seems to be I'm streaming to Discord and YouTube. Ugh. All right, I have an idea. Yeah, no, audio sucks. Okay. Wave, bad audio. And the irony, guys, I just bought a really new expensive mic. I just don't understand how this all works.
See some weakness come through in the dollar here. Legacy now down 0.2%, raising gains.
I think the best way to do this. Yeah, I think it's choppy because I'm running the audio through 2 channels. All right, I'm going to try this. How about now? Is that better? I am using two voice inputs. Yep, only one trade. I coach Olympic weightlifting on Tuesdays, so I don't usually get to the computer. All right, guys, is the audio better on YouTube? Okay, good. All right, let's do this. Okay, excellent. There we go. All right, Discord, is the sound better? How's that? Well, funny part is YouTube saying it's better now. Let me disconnect and reconnect, guys. Okay. Discord, is that better? This is gonna be, I have two more things I can try. So Discord, is this good? Very frustrating. Okay. Nice, Tony. Up, still down 42. Okay. All right, so it still feels like lower, guys. Look at this big volume candle on the cumulative delta. It's been fading ever since and going lower. Looks like a big short squeeze before they push this lower, but we'll see. We're below the value area low on the regular trading hours. So we'll see how it goes. It's holding value area low on the volume session, and all of this audio stuff is just totally distracting me from my trading, which is also very frustrating. Okay, good. Now maybe I can focus on trading now. Okay, let me get dialed in. All right, so we're at a point of control and lower band on NQ. ES looks like a little bit of a return to value trade, so we do have a little bit of a divergence there. So I'm going to be patient, see if we can get some congruence. We are at the weekly VWAP right here. Natural gas is going straight up. So is silver. And so is gold. Yeah, gold is going straight up, which doesn't bode well for the market. I still like a short here, but man. We're at point of control. I feel like I missed it. I'm still willing to take it here.
You can see it on Modo. Trump pushed back on state and local tax lawmakers in the Republican meeting. Again, that's according to Representative Amodo.
Oh, man. Come on, push it down.
That's Republican Representative Amodi speaking to the media after the Trump and House Republican meeting.
Really not happy with my entry here, guys. Yeah, I mean, this is point of control and lower band. Let me move this over here and see if I can manage this. I'm not taking any more than 2 contracts here. So I'm not going to add to this and see if I have to get out. Another huge squeeze. Yeah. The structure is still holding. Let's see.
According to Westerman, Trump wants to leave state and local tax where it is. That's Republican Representative Westerman as well, speaking to the media after the Trump Republican meeting.
I want to be short here, so guys, we got a severely sloping VWAP to the downside. Still kind of comfortable here. See if we can, if this turns to a return to value or we get the push down further. I like it more on the volume profile than I do on the VWAP, but we'll see. It's chopping right through the VWAP, the lower band, so that's not all that reliable quite right now. All right, I'm gonna take a little risk off here. Somebody covered a ton. You see that on the cumulative delta? Holy crap. All right, upper side of value here and VWAP. All right, patience here. VWAP on ES. Yeah, I like that. Let's see if if this is it. Where it continues to squeeze out all the shorts. I do like the D volume profile. Indication of a balanced market and rotations. So let's see if we have another rotation. So I'm watching this short, guys. Still watching short.
Said, don't cut Medicaid, just end the abuse. This is according to Republican Representative Bobert.
All right. Starting to scale out a little bit down here. Trying to be patient with this thing. This is the best chance we've had at shorts in a long time. I'm pretty much at break even right here. Trying to get out. There's so much buying. It's crazy. A lot of it's being absorbed. So you have to wonder who's absorbing all this buying and who's doing all this buying. I'd like to get out at lower band down here. Looking a little bit. It keeps popping back up. Trying to be patient. Look at the buying on the cumulative delta. Huge divergence. Boom. Hit. Keep going. Boom. Profit target hit. $1,083. Just like that. All right. So now I'll move over to my, so that's profit target hit for today. Small account, $1,083. Now I'll move over to my top 1 futures account. And we'll trade that. Here she is. I haven't taken a trade in here yet. So this is brand new, 150K. Top 1 futures. Let's go. So I don't want to have this bit. I'm going to have this over here. I'll pull it back over if I go into a position or something. We're going to watch this chart here. So let's see what we got in other markets. Gold has formed a distribution up here. Initial balance.
Trump warns House Republicans about
See that?
with Medicaid.
Oh. CL looks like it's up. There's probably a distribution down here as well. Forming, yep. You can see it right here. It's not the same company. They use the same. Oh, I hate it. They use the same platform. It's called Project X. You can see down here, licensed to top 1 futures and powered by Project X. So this is Project X. So Top Step uses Project X. They call it Top Step X. And Top 1 Futures uses Top Step Project X. So they just call it what it is. So same platform. Also, I'm going to do what I love to do. And I'm going to do payment withdrawal from live account to my bank account. And I'm going to take $1,083.20. Boom. All right, money's on the way. So 10%, and it's locked me out of that account as well. So I can't trade it anymore today. So that's 10% on a $10,000 account. I traded 1 to 2 minis, Jody. 1 to 2 minis. So back up in a good way. I feel like this thing's getting ready to dump. I don't know about you guys, but it sure feels heavy.
Mexico's graph says some 86% of Mexico trade with the US is tariff-free.
Order filled.
Took a long, short there.
So bond sales run out of Europe exceeding 1 trillion euros in record time.
Sure feels like we want to go lower, guys. Sure feels that way.
So debt sales arranged by bankers across Europe have surged past 1 trillion euros or 1.13
Keeps
trillion
getting
dollars
bought up at lower value here, but we'll
for the
see.
year in the quickest time ever, even after the market briefly shut down following the Trump administration's sweeping tariffs.
Order filled.
I just took a second contract here.
US Representative Dusty Johnson says Trump is comfortable with the tax bill as is.
How do I turn off that? Still bearish. That doesn't mean I don't think it's going to try and squeeze us out a couple of times first. But look at this giant divergence on the cumulative delta.
House Freedom Caucus chair says we are still a long ways away.
Very defined distribution here. Back to point of control. Starting to look like a bit of a curling, which is not bearish. But we got to be patient. Give it time. All right, well, let's do a 10:30 check-in. How's everybody trading here? Got a lot of people in the room. Would love to hear how you guys are trading.
JP Morgan CEO Diamond says the odds of a recession are at 50%.
The value area is shifting lower, which means we could get a volume expansion on this volume profile to the downside. So we'll see. That doesn't mean they're not going to try and squeeze us out beforehand.
The Treasury issues a Iran-related general license to the TNOS-1 vessel.
All right, point of control. All right, well, now we're at upper value. And VWAP. So this is still a value area extreme up here. We have IB high, VWAP, and initial balance high up here. So it has a lot of likely sellers to get through up here. Same with ES. Looks like it's trying to get through VWAP. Well, it just blasted through that and stopped me out there. IB high, VWAP, top of the distribution. Is the market going to just keep doing what it's been doing every day for the last 2 weeks and just false breakdown and grind out of it? All right, guys on YouTube, thanks for joining us today. In the Discord, we're going to keep on trading. If you ever want to join a trial, 7-day trial in the description of this YouTube. Hope to see you then. We're getting the Discord. We're going to keep trading till about 12 o'clock. We got over an hour of trading to go. And we'll see how we do. We're still at upper value here.